Everybody, welcome to our Blossoms Family YouTube channel. This is our online business playlist. So today we are going to show you and discuss with you shortly about a very important topic when you are involving in online business field. Because if you are involving in online business field, today the most important business communication app is Telegram. More than WhatsApp or even Facebook Messenger or any other messenger board, the Telegram is the best option for the business purposes nowadays. Because Telegram messenger board already have very huge capacity, and it has very big and very versatile platform for the giving good facilities to its users. So let's see how we can use this Telegram app according to our purposes. Because in this topic, in this subject, it is very important to make classificate your Telegram app, because if your contacts you will see all together, it will be mixed up and you will be confused. But if you arrange your Telegram is very properly, so you will easily get contact with your business or any other purposes very easily. Because if you classificate your Telegram into related groups, it will be very easy for you. So let me show you how to do this with my giving you an example from my own Telegram. So let's see this. Let me see you, okay, how we arrange the Telegram app. So this is Telegram, everybody knows this. So here you see in the beginning it is all in my Telegram. You will see 22 messages, in new messages, and uncounted so many messages. This is all my contact list in Telegram. So you will see how many, very huge, very big number of contact here. What we did here, I cannot deal with this lot of contacts together in one stage. I divided it here like many categories. So you will see pin groups. There is my business groups and the important people here of this business group, and all my business contact is different. And sometimes we know that spam group is spam chats coming. So I already, if I found something like that, we will categorize them here, the spam group and spammers, spam people also. And there is my other contacts, means not related to business. It was here, these contacts. And also in my some purposes I am making my also some categories, so they also include here. And also this is my Telegram group. Already everybody knows that this Telegram group also here. So how we categorize them? First, you think how you can categorize this. It is on your hand. Once you think that how I categorize my Telegram group, you can go here. Okay, here you can find out settings. In there you can make folders. When you go there, folders, you can create. When you go there, add, you can add a new folder here. Okay. So from there you can add many folders, and after that you can use that folder for in your categories. So this is the way how to arrange your Telegram group to a Telegram app into groups, and avoid the unnecessary chats, and you can arrange your chats. It's very important for you. So it's very good to arrange your Telegram like this because it is very useful. So like that you can arrange your Telegram app also. I hope you will do this very properly and best of luck. ඉතින් දයාබර ඔබ වෙනුවෙන් අපේ channel එකේ මේ ඉදිරිපත් කරපු වැඩසටහනින් ඔබට තේරුම් යන්න ඇති Telegram app එකක් කොහොමද arrange කරන්නේ කියන කාරණය ඔබේ සාමාන්‍ය කටයුතු විනත් කටයුතු ව්‍යාපාර කටයුතු මේ කොයි දෙයකටත් messenger board එක නිවැරදිව arrange කර ගැනීමේ වැදගත්කම. ඉතින් බොහොම ස්තුතියි අපේ හින්දි කතා කරන මිතුරන් වෙනුවෙන් මේ පුංචි සටහන ඉදිරිපත් කරනවා. दोस्तों, आप लोग भी देखा होगा कि हम कैसे हमारा टेलीग्राम ऐप यूज़ करेंगे, तो इसके सारे डिटेल में इंग्लिश में दे दिया, तो लेकिन आपको समझ सकते हो, मैं यकीन करता हूँ आपको भी अच्छा लगे तो आप भी ऐसे अरेंज करके चलना अपना टेलीग्राम. सो सबको प्रणाम, बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू. සිල් දිනාටම සුබ දවසක්. මම සුහත් චාමර දොසන්ස් ෆැමිලි අපේ YouTube channel එකේ online playlist එකේ